it's me again. Welcome back to a STI video. STI video. I can't see the STI logo. I can't see the STI logo. Fail. But welcome back. I'm sitting. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm sitting in the drive-thru right now waiting to get some food because I'm hungry. I got a text message, and that's not the topic of this video. The topic of this video is this. I can't show the front of the sticker has my name on it. Metra install kit and JVC Apple CarPlay head unit. Okay, look at this. Let me show you one thing about the STI. Stock head unit, completely stock. I need to do something about that. I've been listening to the radio for the past 2 days, and I don't like the radio. I really don't. I need to change that up. So that's what we're gonna do today in this video after I get some food. It's finally time to start the install, boys. Simple way. Pull the shifter trim off. It just literally just pulls right off. And one screw. Let's do this. Boom! That was a pain in the dick, not gonna lie, because I really didn't want to break these tabs. Next step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think number 6 is right there. Let's do this. And there is that piece of doo-doo. Fresh out, and look, there's the Evo. Which is coming out of the garage, by the way. Oh, easy. Now I need to get the other head unit out. All right, boys, here's the scoop. You need to pull your stock bracket off, your stock head unit, and just transfer it over. But this one's like super fucking thin compared to the other one. The other one's a fat boy, and this one's really, really small. But I'm gonna make it work somehow. I didn't even talk about what I just did, but I just did a thing. It's in the title of the video anyways. We just picked up some wheels for the STI. Because if you saw the reveal video, you would know that I'm borrowing some wheels, some stock wheels from my STI hatch, my old one. So we had to do something about it. And you'll see the wheel reveal soon. By the way, we're surprising Twink right now. He has no idea. Twink doesn't even know about the car still. So we're gonna pull up to his house right now. La 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 la. You guys recognize this neighborhood? BG23. Come on, BG23, come outside. Hey, hey. Hey, fam. What's cracking, fam?
Oh, shit, fam.
Hey, fam. Cracking like a dog. Damn. Look at them wheels. I didn't even talk about the wheels, but I'll talk about the wheels later. They are Avid AV20s. I'm pretty sure the AV20s. 18 by 9.5 with 38 offset. No spacer required to clear the STI Brembos. And look at that fucking flush, dude.
Yeah, be mine in a week.
Oh yeah, I'm selling the Twinkie in a week when I get some stock wheels. They're temporary. 1-finger wheel gap, we had to raise the coils up because I was rubbing like a bitch, and yeah, I'm exhausted because I was just, I was putting in work, putting all the wheels on, raising the coils, and dude, I'm tired. Like, now we gotta fix Twinkie's car because it's got a nice little exhaust leak. But look at Bambino on them stock wheels. I'm gonna sell them the Avids as soon as I get my stock wheels.
My car's dirty.
My car's dirty. You can't even tell, honestly.
No, because it's white.
Wait, turn your fogs on so I can see which one's out. Oh, awkward. Help. Brother, fix me. Help. Damn, look at that blob eye. She's so sexy, especially with the teal lugs. I had these teal lugs on my hatch, so I had to get the same ones. Oh, I love it. I love it. She's pretty, she's clean. By the way, STI wing coming in. I got one. Oh. Your wallpapers. Damn, boys, look at that wing. Ooh, yes, sir. Woo. I do like the wingless look, but I think this is what it was missing. Let me give you guys a sneak peek of the next video. This is your sneak peek for the next Subaru video. Alright, now that you see the sneak peek for the next video, STI video, because I don't know if the next video is going to be another STI video, but you still get the sneak peek of what's coming next when I do post one. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all enjoying the STI content. Hope y'all enjoying the STI like I am, because look at that wing. Look how good it looks. Ugh. I like the wingless look, but dude, there's something about the STI wing that it's too good. It's too fucking good. I had to do it. Alright, well, I don't want to rant on like I normally do. So be sure, you know, if you're new, drop the likes, drop the subs. Like always, always much appreciated. We've been getting more likes lately, and I really appreciate that. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye! Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you I did this.